Yo, 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 yo. What's going on? My name is Noah Nisus. I'm here with Daniel Vines, Ryan Moore, and Joshua Cushion. Today we're going to be going over crime rates in Kansas compared to Illinois, Missouri, and Michigan, and what's gone on with the crime rates. Let's begin. First off, what even is robbery and murder? As we took the years 2009 and 2019, we took robbery and murders compared to all of its in Kansas compared to all of its neighboring cities and states, specifically Illinois, Missouri, and Michigan. Let's clear up what we're talking about here. Robbery means stealing something from a person using force or threats, like taking someone's wallet at gunpoint. Let's say you have a Chipotle gift card. They pulled a gun out. You're saying no, they're saying yes. They take the Chipotle gift card, God forbid. That's example number one. Murder means the unlawful killing of another person. Both are considered violent crimes, and when robbery or murder rates change, it can say a lot about what's going on in the community. Things like poverty, policing, and economic stress. Both are terrible. Both are not good. Let's compare population of Kansas, Illinois, Michigan, and Missouri first. As we can see from the graph, Kansas orange, Missouri yellow, Michigan gray, and Illinois blue. Each have a difference between 3 to 4 million 3 to 4 million people as a population in the graph. As you can see, Kansas is around 3 million compared to Missouri, which is about 6, compared to Michigan, which is around 10, compared to Illinois, which is around 13 and a half. Here's where you can really see the difference. As we took the years 2009 to 2019, you can see there was a steady decline in robbery rates as our first observation. Illinois at the top, Missouri hanging on for dear life in second place, Michigan sloping down towards the end, 2016, 2017, and Kansas piling off. As we see here for the murder rates in Kansas compared to Illinois, Michigan, and Missouri, both have similar tendencies as Kansas has gone up and down, up and down, up and down for the earlier years, and the latter years drifting off up until 2017, where each state had a incline but then a sharp decline. Compared to Michigan, who had a similar steady incline, Illinois, who had a steep incline in 2016 and shown and started leveling out towards the end, which is good, and Missouri, who decided to go its own way and murder a bunch of people during the years between 2016 and 2017, but finally piling off towards the end. As we see in each of these graphs, there is a very easy comparison. The lowest amount of population was in Kansas is normally towards the bottom end of this crime rate. So is as it follows: Michigan, Missouri, and Illinois, majority of the time being on the top, especially in the robbery rates, but even in the murder rates. As we can see here and make the assumption that higher density populated places, such as Illinois, Michigan, Missouri, have higher crime rates. Because Kansas, a majority of the population lives in rural areas, besides Kansas City, Wichita, Topeka, majority of the time people live in a rural area which does not have a lot of severe crime rates, compared to Chicago, Detroit, even St. Louis. Kansas numbers are lower mostly because of its, again, fewer bigger cities and fewer consecrated robbery areas. So overall, Kansas has stayed safer and more stable compared to its neighbors. Now for the two questions. What has happened from 2009 to 2019 with Kansas's robbery rates and murder rates? They have had a steady decline over the last couple years and maintainly go lower and lower each year. As we can see, compared, and how does it compare to all the other states? Comparably, it is a lot smaller. Again, majority of it due to its higher rural areas and population. Thank you for watching.